Welcome. In this tutorial, we shall build a small C# program that takes four numbers from the user, computes the arithmetic mean, which is the average, and then prints out the result. This exercise covers console input, type conversion to double for fractional precision, arithmetic, and formatted output. It's a handy pattern for many real-world tasks, from simple stats to form processing. Let's jump into the problem and the code. We need to prompt the user for four numeric values, convert the input strings into numeric types, sum them, and divide by 4. By using double, we avoid losing fractional parts in the average, which is very important when inputs are not whole numbers. This is a great example of combining input handling and simple arithmetic. Here's the full program. We declare four double variables, read each input, and then convert it using convert to double. Then, compute the average by summing and dividing by 4. Finally, we print a formatted line showing the inputs and the computed average. Using double keeps decimal precision for non-integer inputs. Step by step, we read each input and convert to double, sum them, and then we divide by 4. And then we print the formatted result. Converting to double ensures the division yields a fractional result, if needed. In production code, consider double TryParse for safer parsing. Try whole numbers and decimals. The program correctly computes 150.5 for the sample and returns precise decimal results for non-integer inputs. Using double avoids integer truncation that would occur if you use int. Averages are everywhere in grading systems, analytics, sensor data processing, and quick command line calculations. This simple program is a building block for larger features such as computing weighted means, batch statistics, or reading numbers from files instead of the console. To wrap up, we've built a small C# program that reads four numbers, computes the average, and prints a friendly formatted message. Key takeaways from this: you prefer double for averages, validate user input in real code, and consider generalizing the solution to handle an arbitrary number of inputs or input sources. Nice work! Try extending this to read numbers from a file or compute a weighted average next. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.